WordPress Website Development Services 101, WordPress Development Agency. WordPress website development services encompass a range of offerings aimed at creating, customizing, and optimizing websites using the WordPress platform. These services are typically provided by agencies, freelancers, or specialized firms with expertise in WordPress development. Here are some key aspects of WordPress website development services. 1. Custom website design. WordPress development services begin with custom website design tailored to the client's brand identity, goals, and target audience. Designers work closely with clients to create visually appealing and user-friendly website designs that reflect their unique vision and requirements. 2. Theme development and customization. WordPress developers create or customize WordPress themes to match the client's design preferences and functionality requirements. They modify theme layouts, colors, fonts, and other elements to create a unique and cohesive website design. 3. Plugin development and integration. WordPress developers create custom plugins or integrate existing plugins to add additional features and functionality to websites. They select and configure plugins to meet the client's specific requirements, such as contact forms, social media integration, e-commerce functionality, and more. 4. E-commerce solutions. WordPress development services include building and customizing e-commerce websites using platforms like WooCommerce. Developers set up online stores, configure product listings, payment gateways, shipping options, and more to create fully functional e-commerce websites. 5. Content management. WordPress development services assist clients with content management, including creating and formatting website content, optimizing content for search engines, SEO, and setting up content management systems, CMS, to enable clients to update their websites independently. 6. Responsive design. WordPress development services ensure that websites are responsive, meaning they adapt and display correctly on various devices and screen sizes, including desktops, laptops, tablets, and smartphones. This ensures a consistent and optimal user experience across different devices. 7. SEO optimization. WordPress development services optimize websites for search engines, SEO, to improve visibility and rankings in search engine results. Developers implement SEO best practices, such as optimizing meta tags, headings, URLs, and other on-page SEO elements. 8. Performance optimization. WordPress development services optimize websites for performance and speed to enhance the user experience and search engine rankings. Developers implement caching, image optimization, code minification, and other techniques to improve page load times and performance. 9. Maintenance and support. WordPress development services provide ongoing maintenance and support to ensure that websites remain secure, up-to-date, and optimized for performance. They offer regular updates, backups, security scans, and troubleshooting assistance to keep websites running smoothly. Overall, WordPress website development services offer comprehensive solutions for creating, customizing, and optimizing WordPress websites, helping clients establish a strong online presence and achieve their business objectives effectively. Whether you're a small business, a large corporation, or an individual entrepreneur, WordPress development services can provide the expertise and support you need to succeed online.